In this video, we show you how to replace the front sway bar link on the F-Series Mini Cooper. Clunking noises, loose steering, feelings of instability, or excessive body roll can all be caused by bad sway bar links. Jag up the wheel that needs the replacement. You can go full regalia by lifting the whole Cooper, and a full guide is available here and is linked in the description, or you can go the easier route and see this guide where we share the jack points, and using 2 jacks and a jack stand, get the offending wheel up off the ground. Remove the wheel by removing the 17mm bolts and moving it out of the way. For removing any stuck sway bar bolts like so, first you need something long to torque it down with without holding the Torx and to break it loose. And then you get your, and that's a 16mm. And then you get your 16mm wrench, your T30, and you simply hold it in place while wrenching it down. And if you need uber small tools, you got this guy. I'll link that in the description, and it's an ultra low profile tool. It goes right in the bottom like so. Fits right in. We can use a jack under the control arm to push it up a little to relieve the tension and hopefully get it off. Just raising the control arm. So if we raise it enough, it comes right out. And we can safely lower it. And we're using the jack under the lower control arm to push it up a little bit. And just worry about the top one, then we'll worry about the bottom one. Then we tighten the nuts back up while holding the center in place using a Torx bit, reinstall the wheel, and lower it, and we're done.